Okay, so today we're going to learn how to find the volume of a cylinder. So the volume is equal to the base area times the height. So for a cylinder, each base is a circle. So that means that the volume for a cylinder is the base area, which is pi r squared, times the height, which is always perpendicular to both bases. I know it's kind of hard to see, but if this was sitting up like a soup can, that side of the soup can is perpendicular to both circles. So pi r squared times h. So now we're going to do some examples. So we have a radius of 8 inches and a height of 9 inches. So volume is equal to pi r squared h. Volume is equal to pi, our radius, which is 8, squared, times our height, which is 9. So pi r squared is 64 times 9, and I have to plug that into a calculator. 64 times 9 equals 576 pi inches. And remember, we're in volume, so we're talking about three-dimensional space, so it's inches cubed. Now we have another example with a radius of 3 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. So volume equals pi r squared h. Volume equals pi, our radius, which is 3, squared, times 12. Pi, 3 times 3 squared is 9, times 12. So our volume is 108 pi centimeters cubed. Okay, so we have one final example. Volume equals pi r squared h. So pi, we have a radius of 5. So 5 squared times our height, which is 4. Volume is equal to 5 squared, which is 25, times 4. So volume equals 100 pi. And remember, volume is three-dimensional, so centimeters cubed. So when we find the surface area of a cylinder, we find the area of the label of a soup can and the two lids of the soup can. When we find volume of a cylinder, we find out how much soup can be held in that soup can. So that's why when we find surface area, we're in centimeters squared, and when we do volume, we're in centimeters cubed. So that's all we have for volume of a cylinder. Next, we're going to go into surface area of pyramids, which are another kind of three-dimensional shape.